welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Faith, and today guys I'll be reacting to Shen singing Ring the Doorbell and listening to yourself. And guys, I'm super excited as always. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please consider subscribing. Give this video a massive thumbs up, comment, share, and all that good stuff. And without rambling too much, let's dive right into this video.
冬天来得很迟，你有我的地址，信箱里有钥匙，没人知。你是我的眼泪，琴弦上的玫瑰，天亮时的排队，好词汇，我会自己按门铃，自己听，自己猫下拉，自己凋零，自己的眼睛，自己的病，自己的证明。我们自己按门铃，自己听，自己猫下拉，自己凋零，自己的眼睛，自己的病，自己的证明。嘘，自己平静。以后我要整理你的手稿，把它们都卖掉，换床垫。我是你的孩子，我懂你写的诗，我是你的橡皮，你的纸。自己的眼睛，自己的病，自己的证明。我们自己按门铃，自己听，自己猫上了，自己凋零，自己的眼睛，自己的病，自己的证明。谁在门外醒来？谁在门外离开？好了，就写到这儿。想你现在在哪儿？你一定不安宁，我证
my God. Wow, guys, this is so beautiful. This is mind blowing. I love the sensuality in his voice. His voice is so sensual, it's so ladylike, it's so beautiful. Zhou is super talented and I love his voice so much. He has such a powerful control over his voice and this is such a beautiful performance. He blew everyone away with that voice. The high notes were insane. This is so good, guys. I had goosebumps reacting to this guy. He is so good. Oh my God, I totally enjoy reacting to him. If you did enjoy watching, give this video a massive thumbs up, comment, share, and all that good stuff. And this is me officially signing out. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.